y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Queen Preco, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're interested in my content. Obviously you're interested in my content, otherwise you'll be watching this video, so please hit that subscribe button, because if you do, one day I'll hit so many subscribers and I'll make so much money that I don't have to live through this situation. I can be able to just break my nails. That wasn't my fault. But my nails to break off, and I could just run to the store immediately and get them done again. But no, I can't, because guess what? I'm broke. So please subscribe to my channel so I don't have to go through this pain one day. Thank you. I appreciate you. And today we are going to be reviewing a wig from one of my favorite hair companies, UNice Hair. I love UNice Hair so much. I've bought from them before and suggested them to all my friends for like their senior pictures and events they had to go to, and what's that on my lip? Events that they had to go to get their, you know, to get ready. So first I'm gonna do an unboxing the wig, but let's start with the details. This wig is a 16-inch 150 density honey blonde Bodywave wig, and it comes with a Velcro strap and two clips on the side and one clip in the back for the nape of your neck. This is the wig, y'all. Look at it. It's so pretty. Like, it's so pretty and it's soft. Like, it's so soft. It has two combs on the side and one comb in the front, and a Velcro, I'm not saying it right, and a Velcro strap in the back for security of the back of your head. Two headbands, or I think I already have one like this, I think. But two headbands. I love this one so much. I love bright colors. I like this too, but I love this one. And a wig cap, which I wasn't prepared for, because if I knew, I wouldn't have put on a wig cap, but a wig cap. And a little card from UNice Hair. Thank you for your purchase. Thank you, UNice Hair. So first, we're gonna start with some shampoo. The shampoo that I use is Aussie Total Miracle Shampoo, which I heard is really good for human hair wigs that are like curly, deep wave, body wave. Then I'm going to use my Total Miracle conditioner. I'm going to leave it on the wig for like 5 minutes, and then I'm going to wash it again. Okay guys, so this is the result of the wig being washed and blow dried, and now we're going to install it on my head. Here it is on my head. I like it. I really do. But I'm not done. I'm going to curl it and just bring back the curls that I had before. And yeah, so this is how the hair looks. And before I brush out the curls, I'm gonna put on this headband that they gave me. See how it's supposed to be. I can stuff this back, put this in front. So this is it with the headband on. I brush out the curls. It's so pretty. Thank you, UNice Hair for this beautiful headband wig. And thank you guys for watching my video all the way to the very end. I appreciate the support that you've given me this far on my YouTube journey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and to leave a comment below on what you think about the wig and anything else that you want me to do in my next videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get reminded every time I post a new video. And I hope you guys have a great day and stay safe.